The beauty or the promise that you and I have here this morning is not only that God is omnipotent, but He's omnipresent. God is literally in this room right now as we speak. There is nowhere that we can go to hide from God. Now, I understand that sometimes we may feel like we want to hide from God. As I said, it seems like we spend so much time running away from God than to God, right? And the reason why we do that is what? It's our sin. What would make somebody want to hide from God? Shame. Many of you tried to hide from God this week because you have sin in your life that you feel like you don't want God to see. But I got to be honest with you here this morning. He already saw it before you even committed it. He's God. He's all powerful. He's all present. He was with you in every conversation you had, every room you went into, every street you walked down, every song you listened to, every thought you had, every intention in your heart. God was already there. And I understand that sometimes that's scary, right? That part of God's divine nature makes us think negatively, but the beauty is that there's nowhere that we can go to flee from God because He wants to be with us.